Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the best kitchen gadgets and tools. Today, we have something special for all you cooking enthusiasts out there. We're talking about the best natural meat tenderizer available in the market, the Meat Tenderizer tool with ultra-sharp needle blades. This meat tenderizer tool is a game-changer when it comes to preparing delicious and tender meat dishes. It's packed with amazing features that make it stand out from the crowd. Let's dive right in. First and foremost, this tool boasts ultra-sharp needle blades. These stainless steel blades are incredibly sharp and are designed to penetrate even the toughest cuts of meat. Because it allows for better absorption of marinades and spices, making your dishes juicier and more flavorful. What sets this meat tenderizer apart is its top-quality performance. Crafted from 100% premium stainless steel, it creates tiny channels in your meat for quick and effective tenderizing. Whether you're dealing with chicken, steak, veal, or barbecue, this tool ensures your meat comes out perfectly tender and bursting with flavor. Now, here's the icing on the cake, the ergonomic one-piece design. Unlike some competitors, this tool offers a hassle-free experience with a non-slip handle. No need to worry about detaching or attaching parts. When you press the blades into the meat, they go deep, and when you release, they automatically retract. It's that simple. Cleaning up after cooking can be a chore, but not with this meat tenderizer. It's corrosion and rust-proof, making it a breeze to clean. Just soak it in warm soapy water for a few minutes, give it a quick brush, or toss it in the dishwasher for a hassle-free cleanup. And if all of that wasn't enough, this meat tenderizer comes with an unconditional 5-year warranty. That's right, it's built to last a lifetime, and the manufacturers stand by their product. So, you can enjoy delicious meals for years to come. Now, let's put this meat tenderizer to the test. Just look at the difference it makes. The meat is not only tenderized but also ready to absorb all those wonderful flavors. Whether you're preparing a special meal or your everyday dishes, this tool will elevate your cooking game. In conclusion, if you're serious about cooking and want to take your meat dishes to the next level, the Meat Tenderizer tool with ultra-sharp needle blades is a must-have in your kitchen. Its exceptional features, easy cleaning, and unbeatable warranty make it the best natural meat tenderizer available today. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and kitchen gadget recommendations. Thanks for joining us, and happy cooking!